I've seen a solar eclipse before, but I've never seen a cloudy one, so I'm actually very curious how that's gonna look. There's supposed to be 130,000 tourists coming to Iceland for the eclipse. The entire country has 400,000 people. And unfortunately, there's rain predicted across the entire country today. So let's watch. Okay, actually you can kind of see the sun through the clouds and it's crazy. Let me show you. Right up there, look at that. In just a couple minutes, the whole thing should be covered and it should get very dark and very cold. It's closing in literally any second now. And we're about to have totality. Holy shit. Look, it's completely dark out. I just raised my camera settings for this and look, a sunset has appeared. It's like the middle of the day, by the way. We're gonna have this for 2 minutes and then it's gone. There, somewhere up there, is our sun, fully covered by the moon. Oh, it's already starting to get lighter. Look, holy, oh my gosh. There it is, that little sliver just reappeared. And immediately you can see how much lighter it's gotten out. The sunset basically immediately disappeared. Still a little dark out, but it's starting to get light again. And we're back to a normal day in Iceland, almost. A lot of people expect solar eclipses to happen more often because the moon theoretically goes around the Earth once a month, right? So Earth, moon, sun should happen once a month. But it's not a perfect line of Earth, moon, sun, and the moon goes around like this. Actually, the moon has a 5-degree tilt, like this. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it is when you realize they're thousands of miles away. And then maybe it makes sense that the sun isn't always going to be blocked by the moon as it goes around in that tilted orbit. The other piece to this is that you have to remember that the sun is like a giant spotlight and the moon is this tiny housefly, and that fly is going to cast a very small shadow against that giant spotlight. So there are little solar eclipses happening on Earth, but they're very narrow paths and a lot are in the ocean or somewhere like Antarctica, so you don't hear about them. And also the last piece is that only total solar eclipses get all the attention, because in a partial solar eclipse, it gets a little darker, but you don't get that full nighttime during the day experience. So you kind of need all these perfect conditions to actually have a total solar eclipse where the moon fully blocks out the sun on a populated area of Earth. Now I'm literally running back to the bus so I can be the first to report on the eclipse.